They couldn't put my name correctly.
Oh, why did you put a complaint?
Complaint? Where?
On the A2I website and on a feedback navigation bar?
Feedback navigation? But there is no feedback navigation on this website.
Oh, I see. So, here we are the Scrutinizer United and we strive to scrutinize till we are satisfied. Now, public service delivery system in Bangladesh like A2I are coming with a tagline like citizens need not to go to the service because but service will come to them. Recently, our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has quoted us. For us, it's not a dream. In fact, very much real. And we are promoting ICT access to every citizen so that no one is left behind. Now, understanding this issue, the problem we have identified so far that the government of Bangladesh has done so many renovations regarding this public service delivery system, and it has impressed nationally and internationally as well. But the problem is just opposite to the success. Why? We have identified some problems. You can see that lack of legitimate feedback mechanism, lack of knowledge of citizen on the service, and lack of proper branding on public service delivery, and lack of proper planning. Here, as an example, we can say that all of you can remember that a few months ago, we have observed that a massive disorder on college admission, 2015, and that was because of lack of proper planning. And then here comes the last one, lack of identification and segmentation. I think there are some error on segmentation about the service we are providing, the service A2I is providing. Then, is it possible to establish a feedback mechanism? Yes, it is possible because at present 33% of our total population are getting internet access. So, it is possible. Now here comes the next question, how? I will invite my next teammate to focus on this, how. Thank you.
Thank you, Samia. And we are talking about the effective feedback mechanism in the government service delivery system, public service delivery system. So we have noticed so far that the government can improve their services in various aspects. We can integrate, we can suggest the government that they can integrate the proper feedback mechanism into their system. And we can also say that, in various websites that deliver the public services do not have that query option or suggestion box. That is very much necessary. So we suggest government those, and we have another unique proposal, that is the creation of an innovation agent. The work of an innovation agent will be connect the government with the digitally illiterate people who don't have the necessary access to provide the feedbacks to the government, and they don't have the courage. So the role of the innovation agent will be like a medium. They will place their booths outside the public delivery system office and receive the suggestions and recommendations by the service availers, and they will report this monthly or weekly to their respective bosses. So here, by this, we can dismantle the disorientation in the public service delivery system in our country, and then we come up with the idea of the mobile system query. Who will receive the public service will be given a code number, and the queries and suggestion will be made by using that code number. And we also suggest that a 24/7 dedicated phone line, toll free. By that, we can ensure that the system is really working. And here, what is the big idea? Of course, we didn't invent our own big idea, because the biggest idea is there. It is Digital Bangladesh. The big idea is Digital Bangladesh, and we are making some necessary steps and visions and implementation, whatever, on this big idea. We were not so long ago. We are far behind from where we are now. Every citizen needs a dream. And we found that dream when we found Vision 2021. It was in the current government's electoral agenda, and here the clarifying factors are the core value instills the ease of receiving service for the customers, and the position is that to serve the underserved, the people who are not served well under the current public service delivery system, and brand essence. Brand essence is from within the comfort of your home. You can get the service by simply just a click. We are talking about here paperless office, and the big idea is Vision 2021, and we are looking forward to the digitization of Bangladesh. We are looking forward to the digital Bangladesh. And here we have made a segmentation of the citizen segmentation, as we call it. There are two categories on the row and two categories on the column. That is service user and internet user. They are the first generation digital citizen. They have availed it, they have availed the service, and they have used the internet to avail it. So they are on the right path, and they can lead us from the front. And the next is non-service user and the internet user. They use internet, but they haven't availed the service yet because you know what, there is no proper branding. So this can be the segment where we can focus to properly disseminate the information about the public service delivery system, and then we can see the service user and the non-internet users. There are many people in the rural or suburban areas where they avail the service, but they do not know about the digitization of these services. So they are also a very important segment because they represent the people who have a phone, the not so digital phone. That they use phones for giving and receiving calls, but they do not use it for the availing services. And last but not the least, I think it is the most important, that is the underserved community of Bangladesh, that is non-service user and the non-internet service user. They are not in a very good position as we can see. The primary focus should be the underserved community, because if we can focus the service and the usages of the public service delivery system to them, they can really make a potential difference in their life. And we are talking about SDGs here, and the overall impact of our economy by doing this. And we suggest some solutions like the hashtag campaign. Hashtag campaign is like hashtag A2I Euro NID, hashtag A2I passport, hashtag A2I recommendation. We can create a buzz in the social media by using hashtags, and we are also suggesting that in the rural areas, like where the underserved lived, we can use the local mosque, and the local imams can teach about them in the Zumba gathering about the public service delivery system. This is not bad, for the community. And we can also use some community volunteers to teach them about this, and government can take some initiatives with the NGOs, because the NGOs can connect with lots of people in this underserved area. So if they can tell about the services, the underserved will be informed about it. So I guess that's all. Thank you. Okay, and last but not the least, the plans of our action will revitalize the band, as we have called, and will create the proper feedback mechanism, and we'll be working on the feedback and create a sustainable brand. Okay, thank you.
Fine. Well, I don't have any questions, but I have, I actually have a question. One question, that is like, how many people are you, planning to reach?
We have shown the segmentation, but we don't have the proper numbers.
So just off the top of your mind.
33.5% of our current population has internet access. So the rest of it are in this segment, I guess. And
So
and also from the 33.3% those who don't avail the services from the government.
So you're planning to target the people who have internet access or the other section?
Actually, it merges, in some certain point, because some people have internet access, but they don't even avail the services from the government, and others they don't have the internet, and some others they don't have even avail the services. So our primary target will be the underserved, those who have no internet connection and haven't availed the services yet.
চ্যালেঞ্জ কি মনে হয় ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করতে গেলে কি চ্যালেঞ্জ দেখছেন?
Challenges is digital literacy, because most of the people don't have the necessary digital literacy they require to avail the services. And as you can see, the education is important. Education is not here, and the branding, not proper branding, is here. The branding is very poor, as you have seen from our research. I think that's the answer.
আর কি প্রশ্ন করি, সেটা হচ্ছে যে যদি ফিডব্যাক সিস্টেম না থাকে, ধরে নিলাম ফিডব্যাক সিস্টেম গভর্নমেন্ট চালু করতে যাচ্ছে, ক্ষতি কি?
We are talking about one part of the coin here. The other part is missing. The system cannot operate like this. Why would
Actually, we're going to miss that post-marketing segment. When we are launching a product, this mineral water or this phone we're using. If it's a Samsung product, you're using it and you're facing some problem, and there is no one who said that, excuse me, I have a problem. So then there is, we can say that there is no loyalty, and there is the feelings of, we can say that we can be loyal to that product. So this can happen to this A2M project as well.
না, ঠিক আছে। এমনি যদি প্রোডাক্টের কথা ধরি, যে পানি যদি খারাপ হয় বা ফোন যদি নষ্ট হয়ে যায়, তাহলে আমি ওই ব্র্যান্ড ইউজ করবো না। কিন্তু কিছু কিছু জিনিস আছে যে গভর্নমেন্ট ছাড়া কোথাও পাই না, হাসপাতালের জন্য আমাদের চলে বা বিভিন্ন ধরনের স্টেশন।
other organizations don't provide these services?
That's why, I mean, যে প্রবলেমটা হচ্ছে যে আমাদের মধ্যে অনেক একটা আইডিয়া চলে আসে যে যতই ভালো হোক না কেন, সরকারি জিনিস মানে এটা ভীষণ দিয়ার্স মেনটেন করতে হবে, অনেক টাইম কনজিউমিং, and that's why actually A2I stands. যে যতই টাইম কনজিউমিং হোক না কেন, এটা ইজ দেয়ার, এই জিনিসটাকে আমরা মিনিমাইজ করি।
থ্যাংক ইউ।